Hello everyone, I am Bhavna, currently working as a ServiceNow developer at Palni India Private Limited. In today's video, we are going to understand email notifications in ServiceNow in a simple way. First, let's start with the basics. In this video, we will cover what are email notifications, why they are used in ServiceNow, how an email flow works, notification versus email. What are email notifications? Email notifications are configured automatic emails sent by ServiceNow whenever something happens in the system. That means once we set up the configuration, ServiceNow will automatically send emails without any manual effort. Let's look at some simple examples. When a record is created, when a record is assigned, or when a record is closed. In all these cases, users will receive email updates automatically. So, instead of checking the system again and again, users get real-time updates directly in their inbox. Why do we use email notifications in ServiceNow? In ServiceNow, communication between users and teams happens continuously. So, we need a system that keeps everyone updated automatically. That's where email notifications come into the picture. Email notifications helps to provide real-time updates to users. Users get real-time updates about their requests without logging into the system again and again. Minimize manual follow-ups. No need to send emails manually or follow up again and again. Everything is automated. Speed up response and resolution. Since updates are instant, teams can take action quickly and resolve issues faster. Ensure easy tracking of activities. Every update is shared through email, so users can easily track what's happening with their request. In simple words, email notifications make communication faster, easier, and more efficient. That's why they are an important part of ServiceNow. How an email notification flow actually works. Now let's understand how it works behind the scenes. The flow is very simple. First, a record is created or updated. Then the system checks if the condition is met. If the condition is true, a notification is triggered. Finally, an email is sent to the user. And the best part is everything happens automatically in the background. Now let's understand an important concept. Notification versus email. Notification is the configuration or rule in ServiceNow. It decides when and to whom an email should be sent. An email, on the other hand, it is the actual message that the user receives. Now I will tell you easiest way to remember this. Notification triggers the email. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn about SMTP and POP3. Understand how emails are actually sent and received in ServiceNow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.